Mayflower almost sank on its journey here. And what did they use? This is the cool part. What did they use to keep the ship going and keep it afloat? Very interesting. Someone had brought with them a printing press to print Bibles. And that is what they used to keep the ship together, to keep it afloat. I think that's kind of a remarkable thing, that they were seeking religious freedom, and the thing that would basically give them the new life in the new land, the Bible, and the printing press was the vessel used to keep them safe and get them here.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before Him, exalt His name today. Come into this house,